I'm going to take you on a tour of the Hampton Inn Savannah Historic District. It's the brick building you just saw on the right. And I am in Bay Street and turning around, and that is the Savannah River right there. It is that close to everything you want to see in Savannah. So let's take a tour. So this is the lobby. This is going to be the check-in desk. The lobby was really nice. Usually there was tons of people sitting in the lobby. I just happened to get it during a quiet moment. There is a bar. There is floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook onto the main street, the Bay Street outside, and the river is just on the other side of the buildings beyond that. That's how close you are to the historic shops and the historic district. And there is this little food market. They sell Leopold's ice cream there, which is very well known in Savannah. And so you can get local ice cream in that freezer. This is I guess, the common area where you would have breakfast, but it's also great for remote working because of its connectivity. And then there's always hot water and coffee available all day long. We love that they had hot chocolate available too, as well as tea. So let's go to the rooftop. This is what makes this property one of the best. There is a rooftop pool, which is amazing. And you can come up here and get great views of the river. So this is the view that you are going to see from the pool deck. And like you said, the convention center is right across the river. You can see so much of the city from up here. I found it fascinating to watch the cargo ships coming up and down the river. I sped up this video just a little bit. They don't go that fast, but it's still fascinating. So let's take a tour. This is room 605. It is a 2-queen bedroom. And the view from this is not great, but that's okay. Lots of connectivity. I love the fact that you can plug in while you are in bed. That chair is super comfortable. The desk area was great. There is a microwave. There is also a refrigerator that was quite cold, and that kept a lot of water bottles chilled because it was super hot when we were here in Savannah. Like I said, that view, it overlooks Christ Church, which is right next door, so not much of a view with this room. The air conditioning worked amazingly, and that was important because, like I said, in Savannah, it's usually hot, but it was super hot while we were here. So the bathroom has a night light that is going to stay on all night long. If that's something that's going to annoy you, you're going to need to close that door. Still going to be a little bit of light coming out, but the bathroom was really great. The water pressure in the shower was good. The temperature was always good. So as we finish up our room tour, I'm going to show you the closet in just a minute. This location actually is amazing. It is so great to just walk outside and be within minutes walking distance of everything in downtown Savannah that you want to walk to. I think at the furthest point, Forsyth Park was about a 15 to 20 minute walk away. All of the squares that you might want to be at were within easy walking distance. So this is the gym. It was actually very well appointed. I'm pretty impressed with that. Parking, so it is going to be tight. You are going to pull into here. There is valet parking. As you are unloading, there is only 2 parking spaces right there. So just keep that in mind. It's going to be a little bit tight for maneuvering. Then you're going to have to back out. Valet was going to be about $48 a night plus tip. That's a lot. So if you want to save some money, use the parking garage right there across the street. It is the Bryan Street parking garage. It's going to be about $20 a night during the week for 24 hours. All you have to do is a short walk across the street. Old Town Trolley picks up right here as well. So if you plan on doing that, it is an excellent location. If you've stayed here, let us know in the comments.